So today I want to talk to you about the risks that are associated with using pills for emergency contraception. So let's get that out of the way. So when you use emergency contraception, we're giving you a super high dose of hormones in those tablets. And what that is doing is stopping a pregnancy forming or implanting. But what it also does is really mess up your hormones. So it may be very effective in preventing an unwanted pregnancy, especially if you take it as soon as possible after you've had unprotected sex. But it is really common to then get irregular periods after that for a little while, or heavy bleeding. And if you take it more than once, so if it's something you're using as your form of contraception, you're going to find that it messes up your cycles, which means your life is going to be difficult because you don't know when you're going to bleed. Some of those bleeds can be heavy and you can have pain, and then how are you going to protect yourself from pregnancy because you don't know what your cycles are doing. So I'm going to pretend I'm your Auntie Shazia. My job is to protect you and your sexual health. So as a woman, or indeed as a couple who's having sex, you want to enjoy it. You're taking away the joy of sex if you're worrying about pregnancy. So make sure you've protected yourself. Use effective contraception. That can be pills, it can be a coil, it can be injections, whatever is right for you. And to do that, you need to see a gynecologist and plan your contraception. But number two, what is one of the biggest problems we see? It's unprotected sex without condoms, and then you're putting yourself at risk of sexually transmitted infections. What are those? You can get HPV, that predisposes you to abnormal cells of the cervix and cervical cancer, or what is common in young people having unprotected sex, chlamydia, gonorrhea, HIV. Did you know even syphilis is increasing? So please don't do this to yourself. It's a form of cruelty to yourself. Tell them your gynecologist said you cannot have sex without a condom. Have it in your pocket. You can have sex whenever you like, with whoever you like, but always use a condom.